video, I will show you how to set up a filter function in Excel. Before we go with the deep dive of how filter functions will do for us, let's understand what filters function does. Filter functions just extracting a part of data set from a whole data set or a range or from an array based on the criteria you gonna supply. Here we have a list of three columns: employee name, amount, and the state they belong to. Now I have two conditions. Here first I have a state like taxes. Now amount should be over 100. These are two criteria I gonna supply using filter function. Now let's understand what filter function will do actually. Let's go step by step. If I want to filter state from this state column, what will be received as a result? Let's select the state column equal this state criteria. Now you see we received a result like true and false. And true are stating against what you state have selected, meaning TX is your criteria and against every TX you have a true value. Now what I want, I want same for this criteria. Hence doing the same, selecting the amount column equal greater than this cell. Now we have a true false value again for the amount criteria. D is for your state criteria based to false value, and this is based for the amount to false value. Now we have two types of formula logical test we have applied. So now I'm gonna combine these two criteria all together in one. So what we'll do? Just doing the same what we have done a minute ago. Just selecting this one and this is my criteria. Now multiplication, just select this amount column and your criteria. This is your greater than criteria. Now hit enter. Now you have a result like 1, 0. 1 means true value, 0 means false value. Meaning we have passed two criteria and I have a result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. Meaning we have 5 records meeting these two criteria in this array. So I want to apply a filter functions so that all these 5 records will picked up here like this. So what formula I have used here, same formula I gonna use with the filter. So use filter and your first argument is array, meaning the range. So This is my range. Fix this one and I am including these two criteria what I have used in this column. Now, if empty, meaning if result is not found, then what? Then please give me no record found. In case if no record found, then message will prompt us as no record found. Otherwise, have a result. Now hit enter. Now you will see I have seen here using these two conditions first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Five records we have as per these two criteria, and now we all five records we have filtered here using the filter function. And now this is a fixed. This is not a static. This is dynamically. You can go and change your state like CA. You will have the result accordingly. You can change your amount value. You will have the result accordingly. You can change your state. You will have the result accordingly. So filter functions, you have seen how filter functions works